Welcome back, beauties, to Skin Restorations by Denise. Today we are doing a chemical peel. We're doing a peel on our client's back who has mild acne as well as scarring that she would like to address. So as you see, we are first starting off with our first deep cleanse. In any facial that is performed, we want to make sure we do 2 cleanses just to make sure we really have a clean surface to work with. That way the products that we are using and applying can really penetrate and work even better. So the peel that we're doing today is a medium depth peel. We are using the Perfect Derma Peel. This peel is amazing for all Fitzpatricks, so 1 through 6. Requires no prepping. It's suitable for the face as well as the body, which I love. So you see here today we're going to be doing it on her back. It's great for teens as well as adults, and it addresses so many different skin conditions as well as skin concerns. Some common skin concerns that this peel addresses are acne and PIH, which actually I suffer from hormonally, textural scarring, aging skin, hyperpigmentation including melasma, mild rosacea, dry patches, body acne, pigmentation. This peel is really great for most skin concerns and conditions. It really helps to build the collagen and really bring back skin health. So this peel does that by certain key ingredients. So the main key ingredients included in the Perfect Derma Peel are TCA, phenol, vitamin A, aka retinoic acid, salicylic acid, L-ascorbic acid, which is a fancy word for vitamin C, glutathione, as well as kojic acid. Now, if you are allergic to any of the ingredients that were just mentioned, you would be contraindicated for the chemical peel, as well as if you were nursing or pregnant or had an autoimmune disease, skin cancer, and a couple of other things. So it is important to notify your esthetician, making sure you fill out your intake forms on time. That way we can make sure you're not contraindicated for this chemical peel. Now, because this is a medium depth chemical peel, you should expect your skin to shed, especially on the face. Your skin will shed off just like a snake. The process for the entire treatment is a week. Your skin should be back to normal after the week, which is nice. Body parts such as the back do typically take longer. You should expect about 2 weeks for recovery time. You're also provided a post-procedure kit after every single Perfect Derma Peel. You want to make sure you stick with that kit for optimal results and so your skin can effectively recover and heal itself. I think of a chemical peel as a controlled injury to the skin. So after you injure the skin, you want to make sure you are using the appropriate products to help your skin heal at a quicker rate. So now let's actually get into the chemical peel process. We are prepping her skin here. We are using 100% pure acetone to prep the skin. Yes, you can use alcohol, but it is recommended with this peel to use the acetone. So I'm making sure I apply this thoroughly to the back of her skin just to make sure her skin is well prepped. This helps dry out the skin as well, so the peel will really be able to penetrate to that dermal layer. So now we're going to be applying the peel. The peel solution is on a gauze. It's saturated. I am starting at the top of her back just because that's where most of her concern is. She has, as I mentioned earlier, acne as well as scarring. I am applying the solution to her entire back, but I am starting with the top. For the face, I would be applying to the face as well as the neck. I would be doing 4 passes, and for the back, because it is a larger surface, I'm only doing 3 passes. With the passes, I do add a lot of pressure when applying the peel just because I really want to get that solution in the skin, really let that peel solution penetrate. And as I am applying the peel solution, I am also fanning her at the same time. You can apply the solution and then fan. I like to do it at the same time just to help with any sensation the client may be feeling, especially on the face. This peel is a self-neutralizing chemical peel, which is very nice. So there's nothing that needs to be added. The sensation will go down and everything will neutralize itself. I do like to check in with my clients throughout the entire process, especially when I do apply the chemical peel, just to make sure they're comfortable. Oftentimes the client will feel sensation if you're doing the peel on their face. However, on the back, this client does not feel anything, and that could be due to the fanning while I'm applying the peel. Possible sensations do include a little bit of heat. You can feel itchiness as well as tingliness. I like to explain it as it just feels spicy, but that sensation only lasts for about 30 seconds to a minute. It does subside very quickly, which is nice. Keep in mind that every client is different, so some clients may get red. Although this peel has an orange tint, you may be able to see erythema through that orange tint. So that's completely normal. It's nothing to freak out about. That doesn't happen to everyone, but for some people it may happen. You also may see frosting. Frosting it just looks kind of like white. Usually you will see that where a client has acne. That's just the pill working, nothing to be concerned about as well. We will apply the solution until it's gone. As I mentioned before, the back is about 3 passes and the face would be about 4, including the face as well as the neck. I do give 3 to 4 minutes in between the passes. Although it doesn't take long for the sensation to subside, I do like to wait an ample amount of time just before I apply another layer of the peel. So as you see here, we will be moving on to our third and final layer of the chemical peel. This peel gets left on. We do not put any products on. You literally just leave with the 3 layers of the chemical peel and a post-procedure kit. So it's very, very important to make sure, as I mentioned earlier, you keep up with that post-procedure kit for the face as well as the back. Any body part, you want to make sure you are following up with that kit for optimal results. Possible sensations with this back peel could be itchiness, and by using the products in the kit, that will help relieve that sensation that you're feeling. It'll help really moisturize your skin. That way it can repair itself at a quicker rate and very effectively. Some things to keep in mind post-procedure: you don't want to pick at the peeling. Yes, it will happen, but your skin underneath isn't ready to be exposed yet, so you want to just let it naturally fall off. Or I recommend my clients to get sanitized little eyebrow scissors, and you can cut off the hanging dead skin. You just don't want to pull or pick at it because we don't want to expose your skin yet if it's not ready to be exposed yet. Also, you want to avoid for 3 days vigorous aerobic activity. So you can walk, that's fine, but no excessive working out, nothing to cause excessive sweating or friction to the skin. I also recommend just sticking to the post-procedure kit unless for some reason you have a reaction or sensitivity to it. All the products are very gentle, so you should be okay, but sticking to that kit is going to be essential. You don't want to use anything outside of it because the kit does work well with the peel. If you do need a additional moisturizer or cleanser, ask your esthetician for a recommendation because the samples or the products that are in the kit are small. I personally offer a complimentary follow-up session just so we can take a look at your skin. We can make future recommendations depending on how your skin does. Everyone is completely different, so you may need 1 pill, you may need 3. I often recommend a series if you do have a skin concern that you really are working on, just because 1 peel isn't enough, but you are going to get more out of 1 peel than regular customized facials. As you see here, I am patting her back just to make sure the solution has completely penetrated into the skin. I don't want my clients leaving with any wet solution on them. I do ask that you wait 6 hours before washing your face or your back. It is ideal to wait 24 if you can. The longer the solution sits, the better results you're going to receive. And that is all for our chemical peel. Thank you so much for watching Skin Restorations by Denise, a skincare series. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.